Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hello, hi, Assalamu alaikum viewers. This is Decor Life signing in once again in front of you with the beautiful and amazing video of home offices, luxury offices, wonderful ideas of interiors of offices. So, watch the video till end and enjoy the video till end, and write us in the comment section that. Would you like the video or not? And welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are fit and fine. May Allah Almighty bless you always like this with the prosperity, health and wealth. Viewers, as you can watching on your screen the wonderful ideas of offices in front of you. Amazing ideas with the amazing interiors. Viewers, Decor Life always present in front of you wonderful ideas about interiors of rooms and many other things. But viewers, if you want to see a new idea or idea you want to watch on my channel, then write in the comment section. Decor Life tries to give you on that idea the next video as soon as possible. Viewers, Decor Life always need your support, so support us on daily basis by sharing my channel with your friends and family and the social media which is used by yourself. Viewer, here I am going to remind you about the subscription of my channel. Viewers, if you are not subscribed my channel yet, then subscribe it first, and don't forget to follow my channel by clicking the bell icon also, and visit my channel for more updated interiors, fashionable trendy interior ideas. Viewers, as you can watching the wonderful ideas with the ceilings, walls, floors, desks, chairs, back walls, the wonderful ideas of the offices. As you can watching on your screens, the color contrasts, the lighting effects, the windows, each and everything is very wonderful. Thank you for watching. Allah Hafiz. We will be right back with the new interesting ideas. Till then, bye bye. Take care of yourself. Remind us in your prayer.